Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view all search results in TikTok. If you've been wondering how to access and manage your search history or explore your past searches, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open TikTok on your device. Ensure that you're logged in to your TikTok account. Step 2. Tap on Profile from the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. In the top right corner of the screen, tap on the 3 stacked lines. This will open the TikTok menu. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy options. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy options, tap on Activity Center. This section allows you to manage your TikTok activity. Step 6. Scroll down and tap on Search History. This will bring up your search history page. Now you can explore and view all your past search results in TikTok. Take a moment to browse through your search history and discover the content you've searched for. By following these simple steps, you can easily access and view all search results in TikTok, allowing you to revisit your favorite searches or discover new trends. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring your TikTok search history.